everyone, I'm Sienna and I'm 15 and I'm from Pontypool and I'm a Talent Search Cymru finalist. I'm planning to bring excitement and sass to the finals and give it my overall best. I'm really focusing on my stage presence at the minute to give everyone that big wow performance that everyone wants to see at the finals. I'm going to really try and come out of my shell and really try and surprise the mentors and judges. I've enjoyed my journey so much within the search, honestly, from the first auditions till now. I think it's really helped my confidence, and for anyone who is thinking of trying to improve their confidence with their singing, I definitely think you should do something like this in the future. I just want to say a massive thank you to Kelly, Louise and Joey for their overall support since my audition till now. Without them offering their support and their kindness and their little chats every now and again, I honestly don't think I would have had the confidence or motivation to go through with any of it. They're just there for every step of the way, whether it's stage presence, whether it's vocals, whether it's song choices. They're always there to just give you a little pick-me-up, and they're always willing to help anybody. And also a big thank you to Kaylee for always giving everyone so much excitement and anticipation every single week. I'm looking forward to my mentor's duet with Louise. She just brings so much kindness and energy to everything we do within the search. Her vocals and her range are absolutely impeccable. I've never sang with anyone before, but I'm super excited to do my duet. I hope everyone's keeping safe and I can't wait to see you all at the finals.